Have you ever imagined how your days could be better if you started with a simple morning stretching routine? Just a few minutes of stretching upon waking can transform your mood and energy to face the day. Morning stretching is an essential practice to prepare the body for daily activities. It helps wake up the muscles, improve circulation, and increase flexibility. Furthermore, stretching in the morning can reduce stiffness and aches that accumulate during sleep, providing an immediate sense of well-being and relief. Stretching not only physically prepares the body, but also helps clear the mind, reducing stress and anxiety right at the start of the day. In today's video, I will show you the best morning stretching exercises for beginners. These stretches are simple and effective, perfect for those who are starting and want to incorporate a healthy routine right upon waking. We will explore each movement, highlighting its benefits and the correct way to execute them. So, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and let's find out how a few minutes of stretching can make an incredible difference in your daily life. Let's start our stretching workout with the double leg stretch. This exercise is excellent for strengthening the core and improving the flexibility of the legs and hips. It helps stretch the lower back and abdominal area, promoting greater body stability. This stretch is particularly useful for activating the abdominal muscles in the morning, preparing the body for daily movements. To perform the double leg stretch correctly, lie on your back with your knees bent towards your chest. Place your hands on your ankles and, as you inhale, extend your legs upward and your arms backward, keeping your abdomen contracted. As you exhale, bring your knees back to your chest and hug them with your hands. Repeat this movement 8 to 10 times, always controlling your breath and focusing on stretching the abdominal and leg muscles. The next stretch in our workout is the adductor stretch, which focuses on the inner thigh muscles. This stretch is ideal for improving the flexibility of the adductors, helping to prevent injuries, especially for those who engage in physical activities that require lateral movements. Additionally, it contributes to pelvic opening, improving mobility and posture. To perform the adductor stretch, lie on the floor, keep your arms straight and close to your body with your palms down, and keep your legs together, maintaining a straight spine. Slowly open your legs as wide as you can and keep them extended. Hold this position for 20 to 30 seconds, feeling the stretch in your inner thighs. Breathe deeply and, as you exhale, slowly close your legs, always respecting your body's limits. The boat stretch is the next exercise. This exercise is an excellent way to strengthen the core and improve balance. It intensely works the abdominal muscles and hip flexors, helping stabilize the body and improve posture. It is a stretch that can also increase muscle endurance, preparing the body for daily activities. To perform the boat stretch, sit on the floor with your knees bent and feet firmly planted. Lean your torso slightly backward and lift your feet off the floor, extending your legs diagonally. Keep your arms extended in front of you, parallel to the floor. Hold this position for 10 to 20 seconds, breathing deeply and focusing on maintaining balance and abdominal contraction. In our workout, we also have the cow stretch. The cow stretch is a classic stretch that helps increase spine flexibility and improve spinal mobility. This exercise is excellent for relieving tension in the back and neck, especially after a night of sleep. It also contributes to posture improvement, making it a great choice for morning stretching. To do the cow stretch, get on all fours on the floor, with your hands aligned with your shoulders and your knees aligned with your hips. As you inhale, raise your head and tailbone upward while arching your back downward, creating a gentle curve in the spine. As you exhale, return to the neutral position. Keep the movement fluid, repeating 8 to 10 times, and feel the stretch in your spine and neck. The feet and ankle stretch is the next stretch. This stretch is crucial for mobility and injury prevention in the lower extremities. This exercise helps increase the flexibility of the muscles and ligaments around the ankles, promoting better stability and balance. It is especially useful for those who spend a lot of time standing or engaging in activities that require repetitive foot movements. To perform the feet and ankle stretch, sit on the floor with your legs extended in front of you. Then, alternately point and flex your feet, keeping the movement controlled and feeling the stretch in the muscles and ligaments of the ankles and feet for 15 to 20 seconds. Another exercise in our workout is the sideline quadricep stretch. The sideline quadricep stretch is excellent for increasing the flexibility of the front thigh muscles. This exercise is particularly beneficial for those who suffer from leg tension due to long periods of sitting or intense physical activities. Besides improving flexibility, it also helps relieve accumulated tension in the quadriceps. To perform the sideline quadricep stretch, lie on your side and bend your upper leg backward, holding the ankle with your hand. Gently pull your foot towards your glutes, keeping your knees aligned. Hold this position for 20 to 30 seconds and then switch sides. Remember to keep your spine neutral and breathe deeply while stretching the quadriceps. The next exercise is the lying knee to chest. The lying knee to chest stretch is great for releasing tension in the lower back and glutes. This stretch helps increase lumbar spine flexibility and relieve pain and stiffness in the region, being especially beneficial for those who suffer from back pain. To perform the lying knee to chest stretch, lie on your back with your legs extended. Bend one knee and bring it towards your chest, holding the leg with both hands. Hold this position for 20 to 30 seconds, feeling the stretch in the lower back and glutes. Repeat with the other leg, ensuring that your spine remains relaxed on the floor. Now it's time for the lying glute stretch. The lying glute stretch is essential for stretching and relaxing the glute muscles, which can become tense due to long periods of inactivity or intense activities. This stretch improves hip flexibility and can help relieve pressure in the lower back. To do the lying glute stretch, lie on your back and cross one ankle over the opposite knee, forming a 90-degree angle. Gently pull the supporting leg towards your chest, holding the thigh with both hands. Hold this position for 20 to 30 seconds and then switch sides. Breathe deeply and feel the stretch in your glutes and hips. The next exercise on the list is called the seated wide-angle pose sequence. The seated wide-angle pose sequence is an excellent way to stretch the inner thigh muscles, hamstrings, and lower back. This stretch helps improve flexibility and hip opening, being especially useful for those who spend a lot of time sitting. To perform the seated wide-angle pose sequence, sit on the floor with your legs extended at a wide angle. Lean your torso forward, trying to reach your feet with your hands, or keeping your hands on the floor in front of you. Keep your spine straight and breathe deeply, staying in this position for 20 to 30 seconds. This stretch should be done slowly and controlled, respecting your body's limits. In our workout, we will also do the spine stretch. The spine stretch is an excellent exercise to increase spinal flexibility and relieve back tension. This stretch promotes better posture and helps lengthen the muscles along the spine, providing a sense of relief and relaxation. To perform the spine stretch, sit on the floor with your legs extended and feet flexed. Extend your arms forward, parallel to the floor. As you exhale, slowly curve your spine forward, bringing your hands towards your feet. Hold this position for a few seconds, feeling the stretch along the spine. Return to the starting position and repeat 5 to 8 times, always breathing deeply. Now it's time for the side push neck stretch. The side push neck stretch is ideal for relieving tension in the neck and shoulders, common areas of stress accumulation. This stretch helps improve neck muscle flexibility and reduce pain caused by poor posture or long periods of sitting. To do the side push neck stretch, sit or stand with your spine straight. Tilt your head to one side, bringing your ear towards your shoulder. Use your hand on the same side to apply gentle pressure to your head, intensifying the stretch. Hold this position for 20 to 30 seconds and then switch sides. Breathe deeply and relax your shoulders while stretching. The last stretch in our workout is the shoulder stretch behind the back. This stretch is great for lengthening and increasing the flexibility of the shoulders and chest muscles. This stretch is especially useful for improving posture and reducing shoulder stiffness caused by long periods of inactivity or repetitive work. To perform the shoulder stretch behind the back, stand with your feet shoulder-width apart. Interlace your fingers behind your back and lift your arms as high as possible without arching your spine. Hold this position for 20 to 30 seconds, feeling the stretch in your shoulders and chest. Breathe deeply and relax as you exhale, repeating the stretch 2 to 3 times to maximize the benefits. Each of these stretches offers unique benefits that can transform your morning routine and prepare your body for an active and productive day. Remember to perform the movements in a controlled manner and respect your body's limits, avoiding any discomfort or excessive pain. Although morning stretches are an excellent start, they are not enough by themselves to ensure a healthy and productive day. Nutrition plays a crucial role in this process. Starting the day with a balanced breakfast, rich in proteins, complex carbohydrates, and healthy fats, can provide the necessary energy for daily activities. Foods like eggs, oats, fresh fruits, and nuts not only fuel the body, but also help maintain stable blood sugar levels, preventing hunger spikes and fatigue. Additionally, staying hydrated is essential for muscles and joints to function properly, enhancing the benefits of stretching. In addition to a balanced diet, supplementation can be a great ally in maximizing results and improving health and well-being throughout the day. Supplements like vitamins, minerals, and omega-3 can fill potential nutritional gaps in the diet, ensuring that the body receives all essential nutrients. For example, vitamin D and calcium are important for bone health, while magnesium can help with muscle function and cramp reduction. However, it's important to remember that supplementation should be done with the guidance of a healthcare professional to avoid excesses and ensure it is truly necessary. Incorporating strength and cardiovascular exercises into your routine can further increase the benefits of morning stretching. Strength exercises, such as weightlifting and resistance training, help build and maintain muscle mass, improve bone density, and increase metabolism. Meanwhile, cardiovascular exercises, such as walking, running, and cycling, improve heart health, increase endurance, and help control weight. Combining these activities with stretching creates a complete exercise program, promoting overall health and much greater disposition throughout the day. If you're just starting to stretch, it is important to remember that everyone starts somewhere and progress comes with time and consistent practice. Start slowly, dedicating a few minutes a day to stretching, and gradually increase the duration and intensity as you feel more comfortable. Listen to your body and do not push beyond your limits to avoid injuries. Use accessories like yoga mats for added comfort and maintain controlled breathing during stretches. Remember, consistency is key, and even small daily stretching sessions can bring great benefits over time. This video is informative and does not replace the guidance of a doctor or healthcare professional. Always consult a specialist before starting any new exercise or supplementation program, especially if you have pre-existing health conditions. The importance of stretching, maintaining a balanced diet, considering supplementation, and exercising is invaluable for a healthy and energetic life. Every small habit you adopt, from morning stretches to a nutritious meal, contributes to overall well-being and a better quality of life. Remember, taking care of your body is an investment that brings great rewards over time. Think about the positive impact these stretches can have on your daily life. Think about what you can do tomorrow to start this new routine. Dedicating a few minutes in the morning to stretch can be the first step to transforming your health and well-being. Start slowly but with determination, and see how these small habits can make a big difference. We want to hear from you. Share your experiences in the comments below. Tell us how your first day of stretching was and if you have a favorite stretch. Moreover, comment on what topic you would like to see in the next video. It will be a pleasure to create content especially for you and help you on your health and wellness journey. Keep exploring our videos for more tips and exercises that can complement your stretching routine. We will recommend some videos that will help you build a strong and healthy body. Staying active and informed is key to achieving your goals. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and share it with your friends and family. This way, you help spread valuable information about health and well-being. See you in the next video.